Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2010 Subaru Forester, stock number 6994. It's around from the 2nd 2008 to the 8th 2012. It's an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door 4 dents, left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door 4 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,